Hi students, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about the ninth problem from the exercise 4.1. Let us observe the question. If m is equal to 3 and n is equals to 2, find the value of our first question is what? 9m square minus 10n cube. Here we have given the value of m as a 3 and n as a 2, and we need to substitute these values in the given question and we need to find the answer. So 9m square, so m should be substituted by 3, so that means 9 into 3 square minus 10 into 2 cube. We can write here 9 into 3 square. 3 square means what? 3 into 3, 3 is the 9, minus, and 10 into 2 cube is 8. See, 9 is the 81 minus 80, that is of 1. You will get. And let us see the second question. In the second question we have given to find out the value of 2 into m square into n cube. 2 into m square means 3 square into 2 square. So 2 into 3 square value is 9. Next 2 square value is 4. So 4 to the 8, 8 9 the 72. So second answer is what? 72. Now let us see the third problem, that is of 2m cube plus 3n square minus 5m square n. So 2 into m cube is what? 3 cube plus 3 into n square, that is of 2 square, minus 5 into m square, that is of 3 square, into 2. So 2 into 3 cube is what? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cube value is 27 plus 3 into 2 square, that is of 4, minus 5 into 3 square, 9 into 2. So on doing so, you will get it as 27 to the 54 plus 3 4 the 12 minus 90. 54 plus 12, that is of 66, minus 90. 66 minus 90, that is of minus 24. This is our third answer in this ninth bit. Now let us see the last problem in this bit. M to the power of n minus n to the power of m. Here m value is what? 3, to the power of n is 2, that means 3 square, minus 2 cube. 3 square value is 9, minus 2 cube value is 8. 9 minus 8, that is of 1.